Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to hide spammy comments on Instagram. So if you are facing the problem of a spammy comment on your Instagram reel, post or video, you can hide it by using this feature of Instagram. First you need to log into your Instagram account. Now you need to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on setting option. After clicking on setting option, you need to scroll down and click on privacy option. Under privacy option you will see a option of hidden word. Click on it. Now after clicking on hidden word, you need to click on hide comments, and you need to toggle on this, and you need to also toggle on the advanced comment filtering. Now after this, your spammy comment will be hidden by Instagram. So this is the way to hide spammy comment on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.